Reconciliation of bank statements. We're going to look at what to do, a solution that you can do outside of QBO to help. So let's say you're doing a reconciliation and you've eliminated the usual suspects, end of month, beginning of month, timing issues, transactions that weren't added to the bank feed, duplicates needing to be matched, etc. And you still haven't identified the problem. Now you can go through the rec screen one by one and check each one off. But if you have, let's say you have 1,000 transactions in a month, really high volume account, that could take a long time. So here's a solution. Let's say it's this checking account. So we can go in here, we can run a filter for our dates. Okay, let's just say we want only last month. And then we can export the file to an Excel. Okay. And let's just say we export that. Okay. And now let's pretend we're in Excel. If you have a CSV file from your bank, that's great. You don't have to do any conversions. If you have a statement, a PDF, then you may need to convert, well, you would need to convert that to a CSV file and get there that way. And then you want to pull in your amounts. So this would be the column from what you exported from QBO. This would be the column from your statement. And then you can just sort it. And, or they both should be sorted by date. So everything lines up. And then you just go down through the list and look for blanks. So for example, here, let's say we see, okay, 223, and you look for pluses and minuses, maybe, yeah, I'd put them all in one column, positive or negative. And you see, okay, this is missing. So we need to add this to QBO. And you might want to highlight it, right? Okay. And let's say this was here like this. Let's just go like this. Okay. So we get down here and we see, oh, we have 624 in QBO, but not on the statement. So we're going to subtract that from QBO. Let's make this a different color. So remember, your statement is your source, not QBO. So much more likely for you to make a mistake in QBO than for your bank to make a mistake on their statement. Possible, but not likely. So what this means then is once you're done with this, and let's say this is 1,000 rows, right? You could quickly identify what you were missing. And so then you go into QBO, you know there's a transaction for 223 that is on your bank statement and not in QBO. So you're going to need to add that, whatever that means, deposit or expense. And then in this case, it's in QBO, not in the statement. So you know it's something manually entered or something that needed to be matched. It's not. It's a duplicate. So you need to subtract that out of QBO. Again, whatever that means, matching, voiding, deleting, maybe the date's off for a manually entered transaction, etc. So that's a way you can, that's much faster than just going through and looking at the statement and clicking through all of the rec screen.